think I'm just gonna end up killing myself.
Do Casper.
How's Casper?
Put your feet under.
This is true.
Come over more. No. Sit. Sit. Now jump.
Oh,
Hold on.
that's Casper.
Now jump. There you go. You did a trick for your first time. And you actually landed it.
Right?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I don't know.
Now go down that.
That?
Yeah, so I can get you on it. Here.
I'm going on my favorite side. It's like crashing the fence. And I'm not away from
You want me to? Okay.
Awesome! I'm not awake right now, so. Yeah. At least I don't hurt myself. Well,
Slide. There you go. There you go. Now go over that board. And there goes her skateboard.
You like how I just like go off my board and just go over it? You didn't say how, you said just go over it, so I jumped over it.
I guess, yeah. So you got that right. How about this?
What?
Go over it with your skateboard. Is that better? This is so confusing. Ride your skateboard and jump over that. See if you understand that.
How is this gonna work?
Here, here's your hand. Now balance onto your side. Put your foot.
On the other side?
Yeah, and bring that over. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Yeah.
You did it.
Yeah, I did it 3 different ways. Yeah.
Now say bye.